Vivo launched its new 5G phone under T-series in India called Vivo T3, and it is the successor of the last year launched Vivo T2 5G smartphone. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo T3 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, paired with Mali G610MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo T3 5G sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture alongside the flicker sensor. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes dual stereo speakers for immersive audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.17 by 75.81 by 7.95 millimeters, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo T3 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 21,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 27th, in cosmic blue and crystal flake color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo T3 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.